kitchen was an absolute disaster. Peeling cabinets, cracked worktops, and honestly, just depressing to walk into every morning. But here's the thing, I completely transformed it. New look, new feel, total makeover. And I spent less than £100. Not 100 each on cabinets, not 100 on paint alone. £100 total. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, what I bought, where I bought it, and every mistake I made along the way so you don't have to make them too. Let's go. So this is what we were working with. These cabinets haven't been touched since probably 2003. This laminate worktop has a crack running right across the middle, which is not ideal when you're cooking. The handles are mismatched because someone replaced 2 of them and gave up. The walls behind the hob are just gray. Not gray as a design choice. Gray as in, we never cleaned it. The whole thing felt tired. And the thing is, a full kitchen refit. We're talking £8,000 to £15,000 minimum. That wasn't happening. So I set myself a challenge. 100 quid. That's it. Every penny tracked. And the rule was, if it doesn't look genuinely good, it doesn't count. Right. Here's exactly where the money went. Cabinet paint. I used Rust-Oleum kitchen cupboard paint in midnight blue. That came to £22 for a 750 milliliter tin, which was just enough for 2 coats on all the doors and drawer fronts. Peel and stick vinyl wrap for the worktop. I'll show you this in detail. £14 from Amazon. Self-adhesive tile stickers for the Backsplash. £16 for a pack of 40. New cabinet handles. I went for brushed brass, bought a pack of 12 on eBay, £18. Sandpaper, sugar soap, primer, £9. Small roller kit, £6. That leaves £15, which I used on new LED strip lighting under the wall cabinets. Completely changes the mood of the whole space. Total, £100. Exactly. All right, the cabinets. This is where most of the time goes, but also where you get the biggest visual impact. Step 1, and this is non-negotiable, is prep. I took every single door off the hinges. All of them. Yes, it's annoying. Yes, the kitchen is unusable for 2 days. Do it anyway. Wipe everything down with sugar soap to get rid of grease. Kitchens are greasy even when they look clean. Then a light sand with 120 grit. Just enough to give the surface something to grip onto. I'm not stripping these back to bare wood, I'm just scuffing the surface. Then, and this is the mistake I made on the first door, don't skip primer if your cupboards are a dark color or have a shiny laminate finish. I skipped it on one door, the paint dragged, and I had to start that one again. Lesson learned. 2 thin coats of the Rust-Oleum. Let each one dry fully. I left them overnight between coats. The color I chose is midnight blue, and honestly, it looks like something out of a design magazine. Dark cabinetry in a small kitchen sounds like a terrible idea. It's not. It adds depth. It makes the space feel intentional rather than just default white. Right, the worktop. This is the part people are most skeptical about, and I get it. It sounds cheap. It is cheap. But if you do it properly, it looks genuinely good, and it lasts. I used a white marble effect vinyl. It comes on a roll, self-adhesive. The key is getting out every single air bubble. You need a squeegee or an old credit card. Start from one edge and work across slowly. Cut around the sink and hob with a craft knife. Take your time with those edges. That's where it can look DIY if you rush. The crack that was in my worktop? Gone. Completely covered. I was honestly shocked at how different it made the whole room feel. Going from that aged beige laminate to something that looks like marble is a significant upgrade for £14. Now, is it as durable as real marble? No. But for a rental, a short-term fix, or just buying yourself a few years before a proper renovation, absolutely worth it. The Backsplash. Behind the hob was the worst area. Years of splatter had basically built up into its own geological layer. I scrubbed it back as much as I could, then applied self-adhesive tile stickers. These are 15 centimeters square and come in a metro tile pattern. White, with a thin, gray grout line. The trick here is to start from the center of the wall and work outwards so your pattern stays symmetrical. These are heat-resistant up to around 80 degrees, which is fine for most home cooking. Just don't put them directly on a gas hob surround if you cook on high heat constantly. The result, though, it looks like actual tiling. My mate came round and genuinely asked if I'd had a tiler in. 16 pounds. Handles. This is the easiest win in any kitchen. If you do nothing else from this video, change your handles. I went brushed brass on the dark blue cabinets and it is, honestly, chef's kiss. The existing screw holes lined up perfectly with the new handles, which saved me a lot of grief. The LED strips went under the wall cabinets, pointing down onto the worktop. Warm white, not cool white. Cool white in a kitchen looks like an operating theater. Warm white looks like mood lighting in a restaurant. They're plug-in, no hard wiring needed, and the difference they make at night especially is remarkable. Suddenly, the kitchen feels like somewhere you actually want to spend time. And this is it. This is the same kitchen, same units, same layout, same everything. 100 pounds and 2 weekends. The before and after genuinely doesn't look real to me. And I did the work myself. If you're staring at a kitchen that's making you miserable, but you can't afford a full refit, I hope this proves it doesn't have to be all or nothing. Small changes, done properly, compound. If this video helped you, subscribe. I do this kind of thing every week. And drop a comment telling me which part of your kitchen you'd tackle first. I'll see you in the next one.